Kemba Walker. He's from New York. He's back in New York taking on the Knicks. And he's going to get real fancy tonight. What a block on the rookie Knox. And then the throwdown from Monk in transition, cocking it way back. And that was just the start of the Knicks' trouble tonight. Kemba gets in the lane. No look, bounce pass for another slam. Now he's going to come around the screen. He's going to let it fly from deep, splash. He's not done making it splash. He's going to come around another screen. It's a 4-point play. And Frank is actually playing tonight. There he is, but it doesn't matter. Kemba's going to score it again. And then Kemba with another mismatch. He's just going to sidestep it for another splash. Shot clock cheese. He had 25 points tonight, 6 assists. And then Tony Parker. He's going to get fouled, and Fizdale is going to get ejected from the game. He's not happy with the call, so they're going to throw him out. That's 2 technicals. Knicks lose at home. Oh, he's reaching. I gotta be teaching. How dare Lonzo reach like that? As soon as he reached, oh, that's beautiful. Oh man, that hurts. Got him leaning. You reach, I teach.